Hello friends, welcome to this first video on series Data Analysis using Microsoft Excel. Before we begin the entire series of videos, this is the first video which talks about where is the Data Analysis tab available in Microsoft Excel. If you look at this Excel, this is opening window of Microsoft Excel. If I go to this data tab, I can see data analysis tab available here under the data tab. This may not be visible in your system because this is a tool pack which need to be activated. So if you cannot see this data analysis tab under the data tab in your system, what is to be done? So what you do is you go to this file menu, and here we have an option called more option, and we have options. These are Excel options. So this is nothing but Excel options. There are many Excel options available, and within that there is a tab here called add insert. So click on add insert tab, and here these are all the tabs which are active and inactive tab as well. And bottom of this there is manage Excel add-ins. Simply click on this go button, and if this is not checked, so these are the 4 add-ins available: solver, analysis toolpak, VBA, euro currency tool, and data analysis toolpak. Just select this checkbox data analysis toolpak and press OK. Now when you are doing for the first time, it will take few minutes for installation. Okay, so it's automatically done. So once you click on, you'll see the analysis toolpak. Suppose for example I am doing the same exercise, going to Excel option, getting into add insert, go, and if I uncheck this, okay, I will not be able to see data analysis tab here. You need to activate this data analysis tab. When you are activating for the first time, it may take few minutes for the activation process. So again, clicking on the file, more, Excel option, add insert, go, and analysis toolpak, and OK. So now we have analysis toolpak available, and if you click on this analysis toolpak, your window will pop up which will tell you what kind of analysis can easily be done using Microsoft Excel. So two-factor ANOVA, two-factor without replacement, correlation, covariance, descriptive statistics, exponential smoothing, histogram, moving average, sampling, regression, all types of t-test and z-test. So this is a tool which are available in Excel. So go to Excel and make sure that you have this analysis toolpak available so that you can do further analysis on your own. Thank you.